Hello, I'm Martha Smith, Director of DFAS Columbus. Success in audit readiness will require participation from everyone in DFAS. Our customers will undergo independent audit scrutiny in fiscal year 2015, and as the premier financial service provider to them, you all play a significant role every day in preparing. Whether you are processing bills and invoices, preparing reports, working exception reports, processing disbursements, or sweeping the floors, everyone helps. I'm especially proud of the hard work and dedication that's come from the efforts here by Columbus employees. One of our major missions at DFAS Columbus is contract pay, and you'll be hearing briefly from individuals who work to make that mission a success. From the first step of the process, contract input, to the last, disbursement, Columbus employees are audit ready along the way. No matter where you fit in DFAS, you too are a piece of that bigger whole that is our corporate audit readiness effort.
Hi, I'm Ron Roberts and I work in the contract management section of the contract pay area. My workload is the first step of a contracting transaction. I also work to assist in making DFAS audit ready. I ask questions like, is the contract assigned to the proper payment office? Is the line of accounting valid? Are the line items in the proper format? Are they linked to a line of accounting? Do they have delivery dates? Then I enter the data into the MOCAS entitlement system. I make sure this process is audit ready by following internal controls, like making sure each system I'm working with has accurate information on the contract.
I'm Dave Belt, and my job is to enter invoices and receiving reports into the entitlement system. A critical element to my job is performing what is called a three-way match. That means before I entitle an invoice, I must have three main documents: a contract, an invoice, and a receiving report. Then I check that each of the documents has the same critical information, such as contract number, cost per item, and total billed. I also verify the documents are signed by approved government representatives. I make this process audit ready by following internal controls, such as ensuring every commercial invoice has a matching receiving report.
Hello, I'm Holly Fisher, and I'm part of a process called Prevalidation. Essentially, I use the accounting system GAFS-BL to ensure there are appropriate funds available before a payment is made on a contract. It's a lot like checking your personal bank account balance before making a purchase. You've got to make sure the money is there so you don't overdraft. Although most approvals are managed systemically, I make this process audit ready by making sure when I do receive a manual approval for a line of accounting, I have a copy of the approval scanned into the electronic document management system. That ensures there's an audit trail to verify the approval was received.
I'm Audit Ehrman, and I am responsible for disbursement. Once the three-way match has been performed and pre-validation is complete, a payment is made. We use electronic funds transfer and paper checks to make a payment. We even issue some payments in foreign currency. I contribute to audit readiness by balancing daily disbursements and collections. I ensure that these transactions are reported accurately to Treasury.
I'm Beverly Enix, and I handle the accounting work, meaning that once a payment is made, the data goes into an accounting system. For me, that system is GAFS, but accounting systems vary across DFAS. I make this process audit ready by researching source documentation and recording disbursements as they were paid in a timely manner.
I am audit readiness.
I am audit readiness.
I am audit readiness.
I am audit readiness.
I am audit readiness.